Good morning students. Today we study new chapter of class 10th maths, that is arithmetic progression. In this chapter first we study some basic definitions. First is sequence. What is sequence? Sequence have a fixed rule and fixed pattern. For example, suppose I write any sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is sequence because this have a fixed rule and fixed pattern. First term is 2. If we add 2, then we get next term. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So this is sequence because this have a fixed pattern, otherwise a fixed rule. Another example is 16, 13, 10, 7, 4. This is also a sequence because this also have a fixed rule, a fixed pattern. If we subtract -3, then we get next term. 16 minus 3, 13, 13 minus 3, 10, 10 minus 3, 7, 7 minus 3, 4. It means this is also a sequence. Another example, suppose 5 power 0, 5 power 1, 5 power 2, 5 power 3, 5 power 4, these all. This also a sequence. Why? Because this also have a fixed pattern. If we multiply 5 power 1, we get next term. 5 power 0 multiply 5 power 1, we get 5 power 1. 5 power 1 multiply 5 power 2, then we get 5 power 3. 5 power 3 multiply 5 power 1, we get 5 power 4. It means इसमें अपन किसी भी टर्म को 5 पावर 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो अपने पास नेक्स्ट टर्म आ रही है. सो दिस इज आल्सो ए सीक्वेंस. So these are the some examples of sequence. It means sequence, definition of sequence is clear. It means sequence is the pattern, otherwise we can say that a fixed rule of numbers, the numbers which have a fixed pattern or fixed rule is known as sequence. So in easy language we can write that, we can say that sequence have a fixed rule. Sequence have a fixed rule, sequence have fixed pattern. So these are the some examples of sequence. Now next basic thing is common difference. Common difference is the difference between succeeding terms and preceding terms. What are succeeding terms and preceding terms? These all are the terms. First term, second term, third term, fourth. Similarly, first, second, third, fourth. These all are the terms of sequence. Similarly, 5 power 0, 5 power 1, 5 power 2. These all are the terms. It means first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Okay. Suppose we take first example of sequence. It means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We want to find out common difference. Common difference is the difference between succeeding terms and preceding terms. This is succeeding terms and this is preceding terms. So difference is 4 minus 2. It means that is 2. Suppose we want to find out difference between these two terms. So again डिफरेंस इज इक्वल टू 6 माइनस 4 दैट इज 2। तो कोई भी सीक्वेंस गिवन है उसका अपन डिफरेंस फाइंड करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, उसकी जो सक्सेसिव टर्म्स है उसमें से उसकी प्रीवियस टर्म को माइनस करेंगे। अगेन 8 minus 6 is 2, 10 minus 8 is also 2. So common difference, it means difference of this sequence is 2. Similarly we take second example, second sequence. 16, 13, 10, 7, 4. We want to find out difference. Again, suppose this is first term is represented by A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. We want to find out difference, it means A2 minus A1, second term minus first term, successive terms minus preceding terms is the difference. So 13 minus 16 that is minus 3. डिफरेंस पॉजिटिव में भी आ सकता है, नेगेटिव भी आ सकता है। अगेन डिफरेंस is equal to A3 minus A2. This is also difference between two terms, A3 minus A2, that is 10 minus 13 is equal to minus 3. So difference is the common difference is the difference between succeeding terms and preceding terms. Clear? तो इस मेथड से अपन कोई भी सीक्वेंस गिवन है उसका डिफरेंस इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हैं, डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू टर्म्स। नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, suppose we want to find out difference. Here our sequence is 5 power 0, 5 power 1, 5 power 2, 5 power 3, 5 power 4. So difference is represented by D. Difference is represented by D. This is also known as common difference. Again, this is first term, second term, third term, fourth term and fifth term. Terms are represented by A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. This first term is represented by A1, 5 power 0. So we want to find out difference here, A2 minus A1. Preceding term A1 and succeeding term A2, it means A2 minus A1, that is 5 power 1 minus 5 power 0, 5 power 1 minus 1. 5 power 1 is 5, 5 minus 1 is 4. Again, suppose we want to find out difference of between two terms, these two terms. So common difference D is A3 minus A2. Here A3 is 5 square and A2 5 power 1. 5 square is 25. 5 power 1 is 5, that is 20. So by using this method we easily find out difference, that is known as common difference. Common difference between two terms. Now we study definition of arithmetic progression. Definition of arithmetic progression. The sequence which have difference of first term and its preceding number is same. The sequence which have difference of first number and its preceding number is same is known as arithmetic progression. अभी जस्ट अपन ने कुछ सीक्वेंस के एग्जांपल्स देखे थे. फर्स्ट जो एग्जांपल देखा था अपन ने सीक्वेंस 2 4 6 8 10. This is first term, second term, third term, fourth and fifth term. Terms are represented by A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Okay. Here difference अपन ने फाइंड किया था. फर्स्ट डिफरेंस इज A2 minus A1. First difference is A2 minus A1, that is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Again second difference, suppose first difference is represented by D1, difference D2 या ओनली आप डिफरेंस को D से रिप्रेजेंट करो. देन A3 minus A2, A3 minus A2 again 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Then A4 minus A3, A4 is 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. And A5 minus A4, that is 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. We see here all differences are same. It means this is an arithmetic progression. This is arithmetic progression because these have all differences are same. So this is the example of arithmetic progression. Now second sequence. Second sequence is 13, 10, 7, 4, 3. Again here we want to find out difference. A2 minus A1, this is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, these are the terms. So first common difference, 10 minus 13 is minus 3. Again next A3 minus A2, that is 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3. Again next difference A4 minus A3, that is 4 minus 7 is also minus 3. Next difference 1. A5 minus A4, that is 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. We see that all differences are same. The value of difference is minus 3. Value of difference is minus 3. So this is also a arithmetic progression. It means ये जो sequence है ये भी क्या है, एक arithmetic progression है. ऐसा नेसेसरी नहीं है कि जो सीक्वेंसेज होते हैं वो सभी सीक्वेंसेज अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन हों ही। नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, suppose any example is 5 power 0, 5 power 1, 5 power 2, 5 power 3, 5 power 4. This is also a sequence. First term, second term, third, fourth, fifth. These are the 5 terms. Okay. Now difference. A2 minus A1, that is 5 power 1 minus 5 power 0. A2 is 5 power 1 and A1 is 5 power 0, that is 5 minus 5 power 0 is 1, that is 4. Next, difference A3 minus A2, A3 minus A2, that is 5 power 2 minus 5 power 1. 5 power 2 is 25 minus 5, that is 20. This is not arithmetic progression. Why? Because difference are not same. Difference of first two terms is 4 and difference of next two terms is 20. So 4 and 20 are not equal, so this is not arithmetic progression. Now we want to find out general form of an arithmetic progression. General form of arithmetic progression. Suppose let A is the first term and D is the common difference. Then general form of AP is as A is the first term and D is the common difference, then general form of AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D. This is the general form of an arithmetic progression. Let A is the first term. कोई भी अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन होती है उसमें बहुत सारी टर्म्स होती हैं. सो लेट ए इज द फर्स्ट टर्म एंड डी इज द कॉमन डिफरेंस. देन जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ ए पी इज ए प्लस डी, ए प्लस 2D, ए प्लस 3D, ए प्लस 4D. This is the general form of AP. It means because arithmetic progression have many terms, so general form also have many terms. Here first term is represented by A1. We can also represented by A. फर्स्ट टर्म A1 एंड A दोनों से रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे थे फर्स्ट टर्म को अपन. फर्स्ट टर्म इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय A एंड A1 बोथ, बट इन जनरल टर्म फर्स्ट टर्म is A, second term A2, this is second term. A plus D, third term. A3, first, second, third. Third term is A plus 2D. Similarly, fourth term A4 is equal to A plus 3D. Fifth term is represented by A5. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Fifth term is A plus 4D. Okay. Similarly, we easily find out sixth term, seventh term. We want to find out nth term. First term is represented by A. Second term is represented by A2, that is A plus D. We can also write A plus 2 minus 1 into D. Third term A3, A plus 2D. We can also write A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Same as fourth term is A4, A plus 3D. We can also write in form A plus 4 minus 1 into D. And fifth term A5, A plus 4D, that is A plus 5 minus 1 into D. A plus D, A plus 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 1 is 1. So, this is also A plus D. Then A plus 2D, A plus 3 minus 1. इस 2 को अपन क्या राइट कर सकते हैं? 3 minus 1 राइट कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So, A plus 2D. A plus 3D, 3 we can write 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So, A plus 3D. A plus 4D is equal to A plus 4 5 minus 1. 4 को अपन क्या राइट कर सकते हैं? 5 minus 1 राइट कर सकते हैं. So, A plus 5 minus 1 into D. Similarly, same procedure we want to write nth term. Okay. So, all terms have first term is A. It means A plus, we see here, this is fifth term, this is fifth term. A5 is represented by A plus 4D. It means we want to represent here nth term. So, here A plus, this is fifth term, so we write here 5. We want to write here nth term. So, we write here n, minus 1 is same, minus 1, and common difference D is same. So, common difference D is same. So, this is nth term. Nth term An, nth term is represented by An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Nth term is represented by An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where An is the nth term. What is A? A is first term. कोई भी अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन गिवन है उसके अंदर जो फर्स्ट टर्म होगी, जो स्टार्टिंग टर्म होगी, सपोज दिस इज जनरल फॉर्म, सो दिस इज फर्स्ट टर्म, दिस इज सेकेंड टर्म, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ. So A is first term and n number of terms. N is the number of terms. N is number of terms minus 1 multiplied d. D is common difference. D is common difference. So these are the general form of arithmetic progression. Okay. Now we solve some questions of exercise 5.1. स्टूडेंट सभी के पास मैथ्स बुक होगी. नाउ वी स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज 5.1. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फाइंड द फर्स्ट टर्म a एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस d फॉर द फॉलोइंग APs. Find first term a and common difference d. This is first question of exercise 5.1. Question number 1, part first. 6, 9, 12, 15. We want to find out first term and common difference of the following APs. Okay. So first term, first term is 6. First term is 6. Then common difference. Common difference is a2 minus a1, that is 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So first term is 6 and common difference is 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Now second part. Second part is minus 7, minus 9, minus 11, minus 13. We want to find out first term. First term is represented by a. So first term is minus 7. Then common difference. Common difference is represented by d. Again, for finding common difference, a2 minus a1. This is second term and first term. So common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1 is equal to minus 9. a2 is minus 9. Then we write negative sign. Then minus 7. That is minus 9 plus 7 is equal to minus 2. This is common difference. Now next part third, 3 upon 2, 1 upon 2, minus 1 upon 2, minus 3 upon 2. This is the part third. This is also AP. So we want to find out first term and common difference. First term is represented by A. A is 3/2. First term, second, third, fourth. So this is first term. First term is represented by A, 3/2. Common difference. Common difference is represented by D. Again, A2 minus A1. That is 1/2 minus 3/2. That is 1 minus 3/2. That is minus 2/2. That is minus 1. Common difference is represented by D, A2 minus A1, 1/2 minus 3/2. 1/2 is the second term, 3/2 is the first term. So A2 minus A1, 1/2 minus 3/2, that is minus 1. So by using this method we can easily find out first term and common differences. जिन स्टूडेंट्स के पास बुक नहीं है वो जल्दी से बुक्स अरेंज करेंगे और इस एक्सरसाइज के जो क्वेश्चंस रिमेन हैं वो आप सॉल्व करोगे. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन 3 पार्ट मैंने बता दिए हैं, बाकी पार्ट्स आप सॉल्व करोगे. कोई प्रॉब्लम आएगी तो आप पूछोगे. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Exercise 5.1, question number 2. If first term A and common difference D of AP is given, then find the first 4 terms of that progression. In this question, what are given? Question number 2 part first. First term A is equal to minus 1 and common difference D is also given. Find the first 4 terms of their progression. In this question, first term A is given and common difference D is given. First term A minus 1 and common difference D is 1/2 given. First 4 terms we want find. So first term, is represented by A1, A minus 1. अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में अपन फर्स्ट टर्म को A से भी रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं और A1 से भी रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. Now we want to find out second term. For finding second term, if we add common difference D in first term, then we get next term. अभी just some examples, सीक्वेंस के एग्जाम्पल्स अपन ने देखे थे, उसके अंदर अपन कॉमन डिफरेंस डी किसी भी टर्म में अपन ऐड कर देते हैं तो नेक्स्ट टर्म अपने पास आ जाती है. सेम एज अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में भी जो भी टर्म है, सपोज अपने पास फर्स्ट टर्म -1 है, इसमें अपन कॉमन डिफरेंस ऐड करेंगे तो अपने पास क्या आ जाएगी, नेक्स्ट टर्म आ जाएगी. सो सेकेंड टर्म A2, A प्लस डी, इसको अपन A प्लस डी भी राइट कर सकते हैं, A1 प्लस डी भी राइट कर सकते हैं. हियर A -1 एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस D इज 1/2, दैट इज -2 प्लस 1/2, दैट इज -1/2. For finding second term, we add common difference in first term. Third term a3 is equal to a2 plus d. सेकेंड टर्म फाइंड की थी अभी जस्ट अपन ने, इसके लिए अपन ने क्या किया था, जो फर्स्ट टर्म थी उसमें कॉमन डिफरेंस डी ऐड कर दिया था। ऐसे ही अब थर्ड टर्म फाइंड कर रहे हैं। थर्ड टर्म फाइंड करने के लिए अपन क्या करेंगे, जो सेकेंड टर्म है इसमें फिर से अपन कॉमन डिफरेंस ऐड करेंगे। सेकेंड टर्म इज -1/2, कॉमन डिफरेंस डी इज 1/2, -1/2 प्लस 1/2 इज 0। सिमिलरली फोर्थ टर्म a4, that is a3 plus d। जो थर्ड टर्म है उसमें अपन कॉमन डिफरेंस ऐड करेंगे तो अपने पास क्या आ जाएगी, फोर्थ टर्म आ जाएगी। a3 अभी जस्ट फाइंड किया अपन ने, a3 0 एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस d इज 1/2, दैट इज 1/2। So these are the first 4 terms of AP. Similarly, second part, in this A is equal to 1/3 and common difference D is 4/3. A is equal to 1/3 and D is equal to 4/3. So again, first term a1 is a is equal to 1/3। फर्स्ट टर्म क्वेश्चन में गिवन है, कॉमन डिफरेंस भी गिवन है। ओके, देन सेकेंड टर्म इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय a2, so a plus d we can also write a1 plus d भी राइट कर सकते हैं। सेकेंड टर्म फाइंड करने के लिए अपन क्या करेंगे, जो फर्स्ट टर्म है अपना उसमें अपन कॉमन डिफरेंस d ऐड कर देंगे, दैट इज 1/3 प्लस 4/3, दैट इज 5/3। a प्लस d 1/3 प्लस 4/3 इज इक्वल टू 5/3। थर्ड टर्म a3 is equal to a2 plus d। For finding third term, we add common difference in second term. Second term is 5/3 and common difference d is 4/3, that is 9/3 is equal to 3। Then fourth term is a4 is equal to a3 plus d, that is a3 is 3 and common difference d is 4/3, that is 9 plus 4/3, that is 13/3। So by using this method we can easily find out next terms when first term and common differences are given. So method is simple. First term is given, that is a1 is equal to 1/3. Then second term a2. For finding second term we add common difference in first term, so a plus d. Similarly third term a3 is equal to second term plus d, and fourth term is equal to third term plus d। तो कोई भी टर्म्स फाइंड करनी है अपने को, सपोज अपने को सिक्स्थ टर्म फाइंड करनी है, तो सिक्स्थ टर्म फाइंड करने के लिए अपन क्या करेंगे, अपने पास जो फिफ्थ टर्म है उसमें कॉमन डिफरेंस d ऐड कर देंगे। तो बाय यूजिंग दिस मेथड वी कैन इजीली फाइंड आउट टर्म्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, रिमेन क्वेश्चंस यू solve, and if you have any problem in any question you can WhatsApp me my WhatsApp number. Then question number 3. Check the following list of terms for AP. Question number 3 is check the following list of terms for AP. If any of them form an AP, then find its common difference and write the next 4 terms. Question number 3 part first. 2, 5 upon 2, 3, 7 upon 2. Question number 3 is check the following list of terms for AP. फर्स्ट चेक, इट मीन्स ये जो टर्म्स हैं इनको अपने को चेक करना है कि ये एपी में है या नहीं है. इफ एनी ऑफ देम फॉर्म एन एपी, ये जो गिवन टर्म्स हैं, इफ एनी ऑफ देम फॉर्म एन एपी देन फाइंड इट्स कॉमन डिफरेंस एंड राइट द नेक्स्ट 4 टर्म्स. जो गिवन टर्म्स हैं वो यदि एपी में है तो अपने को नेक्स्ट 4 टर्म्स फाइंड करनी है. इनसे आगे कब करनी है? जब ये गिवन टर्म्स एपी में हो तब. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी चेक द गिवन टर्म्स आर एपी, यस और नो. ओके, फॉर दिस सपोज दिस इज फर्स्ट टर्म a1, a2, a3, a4. हियर 4 टर्म्स आर गिवन. So we find common differences. Difference is represented by D. So first common difference a2 minus a1, that is 5 upon 2 minus 2, that is 5 minus 4 upon 2, that is 1 upon 2. This is the difference between first 2 terms. Similarly, we find difference between next 2 terms. Difference D2, that is a3 minus a2. a3 is 3 minus 5 upon 2, that is 6 minus 5 upon 2. This is also half. Similarly, we find out D3, that is a4 minus a3, 7 upon 2 minus 3, that is 7 minus 6 upon 2, that is 1 upon 2. कॉमन डिफरेंस D1 फाइंड किया अपन ने फर्स्ट 2 टर्म से, फिर नेक्स्ट 2 टर्म से D2 फाइंड किया और लास्ट 2 टर्म से अपन ने D3 फाइंड किया. अपन ने देखा कि कॉमन डिफरेंस जो कॉमन डिफरेंस जो आ रहा है वो सेम आ रहा है, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. इट मीन्स जो गिवन टर्म्स हैं वो अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन की हैं, बिकॉज D1 इज इक्वल टू D2 इज इक्वल टू D3 is equal to 1 upon 2. So, given terms are in AP. ये जो गिवन टर्म्स हैं ये अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में हैं, AP में हैं. ओके, फर्स्ट सॉल्यूशन हो गया. अपने को चेक करना था गिवन टर्म्स हैं वो अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में हैं या नहीं. तो अपना आंसर क्या आ गया? यस. सो गिवन टर्म्स आर इन एपी. ओके, नाउ सेकेंड पार्ट, फाइंड इट्स कॉमन डिफरेंस एंड राइट द नेक्स्ट 4 टर्म्स. कॉमन डिफरेंस common difference is represented by D. Here common difference is 1/2. कॉमन डिफरेंस है वो 1/2 है, यहाँ पे अभी जस्ट अपन ने सोल्व किया है, फाइंड किया है. ओके, नाउ वी फाइंड नेक्स्ट 4 टर्म्स. अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन राइट द नेक्स्ट 4 टर्म्स. ओके, दिस हैव हाउ मेनी टर्म्स? 1 2 3 4 terms. Next term is 5. It means A5, fifth term. A5 is equal to A4 plus D. A5 is equal to A4 plus D. Here A4, it means fourth term. Fourth term is 7/2 plus common difference D. D is 1/2. So 7 plus 1/2, that is 8/2, that is 4. So this is fifth term. This is fifth term. The next sixth term, A6. A6 is equal to A5 plus D. A5 is 4 and D, common difference D is 1/2. That is 9 plus 1/2. Sorry, 8 plus 1. That is 9/2. This is sixth term. Similarly, seventh A7. A7 is equal to A6 plus 1/, A6 plus D. A6 is 9/2 plus 1/2, common difference. That is 10/2 is equal to 5. And eighth term is represented by A8 is equal to A7 plus D. A7, it means seventh term. Seventh term is 5 plus common difference D is 1/2. That is 10 plus 1/2, that is 11/2. So by using this method we can easily solve next fourth terms and finding common difference. So these are the some questions of exercise 5.1. Okay student, exercise 5.1 have 3 questions, and first question have 7th part, second question have 7th parts, and third question have 8th part. So remaining parts you solve at your home, and if you have any confusion, any doubt, then you can call me, you can message me. Okay, thanks.